get enough of it yet in my old outfit. Can we see the back? Unfortunately not. You want me to turn around? You want me to turn around? But what about this? Does this help you? Is this helpful? No? Yes? Yes it is! Well, I'm surprised, okay? Get down there! Instantly! I can do a flip. Your cat is on the ceiling. What do? Your cat is on the ceiling. How do you get your cat down from the ceiling? And bell flashbacks. Ding dong, meow, 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 meow. Help! I can't get down. Help me! I'm stuck on the ceiling. Call the men with the water who fight the fire. Although that might not be so good because I'm a phoenix cat. If they fight me with water, I don't know. I hope they don't use it. But please go call them, the firefighters. The firefighters, they always help the cats who are stuck somewhere high, right? Tell them to help me! Tell them to help me, please! I'm all the way up here! Help me, meow! Meow! I'm stupid, I got up the tree and I don't know how to get down! Meow! 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 Hungry! Meow! 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 Yeah, I'm top right, yeah. Meow! 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 Help me! Wait, Smoothie, hi, Smoothie. Meow! 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 Oh my god, I should do a whole stream where I'm just meowing for an hour. Annoying cat ASMR. Annoying hungry cat ASMR. Meow. Who's gonna watch that, honestly? Maybe just make it a 15-minute video. Yeah. Yeah. And then you can loop it on your own. Yeah, then people are gonna upload like 1-hour versions, 10-hour versions, 12-hour versions, 20-hour versions. Nice. Someone help her get down from there. Yeah, please help me. Hello. Hello. そろそろ降りたいですな。Oh wait, what? Are they? Look. Are they? I can't get down. Do you notice something different? Something... I was up there too long, not... Something weird happened with me. This is so weird. I don't know, this is really weird. Oh my god, it just looks so wrong when my bags are going the wrong way. 前髪が逆に に行っちゃうとすごい違和感あるね。But actually, I could get used to it. It's actually pretty cute. Wow. Wait, you know what? I have an idea. Tangents, let's go. Let's try to create alter Kiara. Oh! Whoa! Oh! RGB cat! RGB Kiara! Okay. I like that one. Wow. Oh, actually, blue is nice. It's like Gura. I'm like Gura's big sister now, but now we go like, Dark cat. Okay, I'm done. Looks good. Negative Kiara. Sonic the Sonic! Gotta go fast! I'm blue. Da-bum-dee-dum-da. 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 This is the new me. Will you accept me? Actually, I like myself in blue, actually. Oh, 意外といいよね。Actually, blue suits me. I like the blue hair. Okay, can I go back to normal and read some more super... Oh, should I read them as...